My name is Paul Tabanso Moletsane. I was born 1951, so approximately 73. I'm from Langa East. To be honest with you, it changed my life, really. If you can walk around here and look at people my age, some of them are dead, some of them are at the old age whatsoever. I look young. And the people say, I'm 55, 50 years. I say, thanks God, because by keeping myself busy in the garden and eating fresh vegetables, I say, thank you for the year. Thank you to HandPicked farmers, because today I can put a plate on my table, even to my neighbors. I can into my neighbors' lives, even to the elderly. And the preschool where my grandson is, I can give them something from the experience I've learned here. So I thank you, HandPicked farmers. Thank you. Everything is getting expensive by the day. So when you grow your own crop, it's better, but it's not easy. That's where I fall in love with gardening at the early age. Farming really changed my life. I don't have a fold in the clinic. I'm always active. I don't have high blood pressure or nothing because of fresh veggies every day. Activity in the garden, working, watering, and weeding keeps you young and fresh. I thank you very much. My brother, I will say, first of all, thank you to HandPicked farmers. Today I've got a knowledge that to boost my farming, my crop, so then I can see the difference. So I say thank you very much to them. So I've learned a lot from HandPicked farms. This is a very good system, and it's easy to grow, it's easy to maintain, it's easy to work on it, and it's easy to clean your garden, keep your garden clean, and you don't spend the whole day working on it. It's about 2 hours, 3 hours. So I recommend people, and even the people around Langa, I'm talking to them about these gardens, to join us, and may the mighty Lord bless them, and come and join us. Thank you, HandPicked CityFarms. May the mighty Lord bless you, you and your families. Thank you. More to.